I'm making my way into the most important piazza of one of Italy's most celebrated towns, Assisi. And as you can see behind me, it is a hill town. In fact, the earliest settlers here deciding on a hill looking for protection. And Assisi's ancient past is still very much present in the city, as you could see here with the remains of this ancient Roman temple, once dedicated to the goddess Minerva and located in Assisi's principal square called the Piazza del Comune. The Piazza del Comune is really one of the most charming spaces in all of Assisi, lined with cafes and restaurants and bars and the romantic fountain that you see here behind me. And while many believe that the history of Assisi starts in the year 1182, which is the year in which the local star saint by the name of Francis of Assisi was born, and most people coming to this town are simply going to that basilica which bears his name, there is plenty more to see in this great medieval hill town. Like, for instance, the Church of San Rufino that you see here behind me, which actually serves as the Cathedral of Assisi. This is the seat of Assisi's bishop. This 12th century church with its extraordinary Romanesque style facade and those three beautiful rose windows that you see. Or another of my favorite things to do is to climb up to the 14th century medieval fortress that you see there on the hilltop behind me. It's known as the Rocca Maggiore. It was the medieval citadel of Assisi, so that if the city was ever under siege, its citizens could look for safety and refuge within its walls. There's also the 13th century Basilica of Santa Chiara, which houses the mortal remains of one of Francis's most loyal followers and the founder of the order known as the Poor Clares. In addition, the basilica has the crucifix, which in 1206 allegedly spoke to St. Francis and began his legendary conversion. And one of the characteristics of Assisi is this particular pink color of all the buildings. And that's because the main building material is this local limestone, which is actually quarried right out of the hillside upon which Assisi is located, a mountain called Monte Subasio, which has quite a bit of iron in it. And it's the iron that gives it this particular pink hue, which actually changes in intensity depending on the time of the day. So when you visit the Tuscan hill town of Assisi, remember, there's a lot more to this place than just St. Francis. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great weekly content shot here directly in Italy.